I'm so excited. You are in the game. I don't know what to say right now. Today we got actually a new egg. So I'm decided to watch a golden foxy. So this needs to be golden. Shut up, Dylan. Why? Why? Because you were so silly. Shut up. Chill out, bro. So we'll open it. Oh, open it backwards. I got 6 shark. And normally the guys always actually put something new notes. Get it out. Hey Foxy, look. 6 shark. What are you doing here? I'm impossible to come in the window. No way, Foxy! That's my brother, guys. She's chilling out with stuck shark. I cannot put that. Here it is, the egg, the golden egg. Is this egg? I don't know if it does golden. I watch this that much as I can. Got so many. Golden. There's so many goldens. And golden foxy the boy. So I put it right to the dog's feet. There's a golden egg. What's inside? Seems like coins or something. I got 3 coins. No way, I'm rich now. Already rich. No. Oh, here's one. Get out. I got $300,000. Yay, I'm rich. That's stupid. So here's the egg. You can put something. You can put a tiny iPhone. Like you can hide it from Justin AXA. From Lanky Box. I love Lanky Box to watch. And I got a YouTube. Subscribe or I will give you golden YouTube and a play problem. So subscribe because I will be sad and alone. Subscribe right now to the channel and go to go to Walmart and Target right now because the man will get out and there was no Lanky Box merge. That will be impossible. Let's go!